In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Smartlead AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get started, either by writing your own prompt or by using a ready-made template, so you can move from zero to a working smart agent quickly and confidently. First, head to the Smartlead Get Started page in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the navigation and tools appear correctly. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Smart Agents. This is the workspace where you create and manage AI-powered agents that handle outreach and messaging for you. Think of smart agents as reusable playbooks. You define what they should do, and Smartlead takes it from there. Inside Smart Agents, you can create an agent with a prompt. Click into the prompt field and type what you want the agent to accomplish. Clear direction here saves time later. Describe the goal, the audience, the tone you want, and any constraints that matter to you. For example, you might specify that the agent should write concise, friendly cold emails tailored to a particular industry, or handle follow-ups after a certain period. The more specific you are, the better the results. When your prompt looks good, click Submit or simply press Enter. Smartlead will process your instructions and set up the agent based on what you wrote. If the output isn't exactly what you had in mind, that's normal. Just refine your prompt and submit again. Small adjustments like clarifying the target audience or the desired style often make a big difference. If you prefer not to start from scratch, you can use templates instead. Pick a template and build from it. Templates give you a structured starting point, with best practice settings already in place. To explore everything that's available, click View All. This opens the full gallery so you can see categories and options side by side and choose the one that aligns with your use case. When you find a fit, select it and click Use Template. Smartlead will load the template configuration so you can build on top of it, tweaking the prompt, updating details to match your goals, and getting to a usable agent faster. Starting with a template is especially helpful if you're new or you need a reliable baseline that's been tested. That's it. Go to Smartlead, open Smart Agents, either type a clear prompt and submit, or switch to Templates, browse with View All, and click Use Template to build. With those choices, you can create a smart agent in minutes. Thanks for watching, and once you've set up your first one, you'll be ready to scale with confidence.